Hi folks, got the garage empty. Been emptied the last week or two, a bit at a time, but now it's time to take it down. As you can see, I've started. Some of the roof has come off, and a lot of the bolts screwing it down is have been taken out, and I got some off. The sheets are down by there. Two doors are off, and we're getting there slowly. So bye. Hi folks, we finished off doing the garage today. It's come down. Don't know if you can see it, but there, it's all gone. A few little bits on the floor to sweep up and burn, but that's about it. That's where the new shed garages go in, kind of thing. I've had a bit of help today. A couple of friends today. Nigel, Tony, and my friend George were here. Grandchildren helped as well in getting in the way. Bye folks.